Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Have you ever walked into a beautifully decorated event space and felt a surge of excitement? I have. It's like stepping into a blank canvas, brimming with possibilities. Owning an event space is more than just a business. It's about creating experiences, memories that last a lifetime. Imagine hosting weddings, corporate parties, and everything in between. The energy, the joy, the sheer satisfaction of transforming spaces into unforgettable moments. That's the allure of the event space business. But let's be real, it's not all glitz and glamour. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. From finding the perfect location to navigating permits and licenses, there's a lot to consider before you jump in. But trust me, with the right plan and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial spirit, the rewards can be substantial. This guide will give you the insights you need to turn your event space dreams into a profitable reality. We'll cover everything from choosing the right legal structure to marketing your venue like a pro. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Let's get started. Starting any business comes with risks, and the event space industry is no exception. That's where forming an LLC comes in. It offers a layer of protection for your personal assets. Think of your LLC as a shield protecting your personal belongings from business liabilities. This separation allows you to focus on growing your business. LLCs also offer tax advantages. Consult with a legal professional to determine if an LLC is right for you. Now that you understand the benefits of an LLC, let's dive into the exciting part, bringing your event space vision to life. The first step is choosing a name that reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. Once you have a name, it's time to file the necessary paperwork with your state. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent. Now, let's talk about your operating agreement. By taking these initial steps, you'll be laying a solid foundation for your event space business. In the world of real estate, it's all about location, location, location. And guess what? The same holds true for event spaces. The right location can make or break your business. You need a space that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical and accessible to your target market. Think about your ideal client. Are they looking for a downtown loft space with an urban vibe or a charming barn in the countryside? Consider factors like parking availability, public transportation access, and proximity to hotels and attractions. Don't be afraid to get creative with your search. Look beyond traditional event halls and explore unique venues like art galleries, warehouses, or even outdoor spaces. Once you've found a few potential locations, it's time to crunch the numbers. Consider the rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance, and any necessary renovations or upgrades. Remember, the goal is to find a location that balances your budget with your business goals. Section 5 Dollars and Cents Funding your event space venture. Let's face it, starting an event space business requires capital, but don't let that scare you away. There are plenty of funding options available, from traditional bank loans to more creative approaches. Start by creating a detailed business plan. This document will outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan is essential for securing funding from investors or lenders. Explore different financing options, including SBA loans, equipment financing, or even crowdfunding. Don't be afraid to tap into your network of family and friends who believe in your vision. They could become potential investors or provide short-term loans to help you get started. Remember, securing funding is a process that takes time and persistence. Be prepared to pitch your business idea passionately and showcase the profit potential of your event space. Section 6, Permits and Licenses, Navigating the Regulatory Maze. We're in the home stretch. But before you start booking events, it's crucial to navigate the regulatory maze of permits and licenses. The specific requirements vary depending on your location and the type of events you'll be hosting. Generally, you'll need a business license, certificate of occupancy, and possibly a liquor license if you plan to serve alcohol. Don't forget about health and safety permits, especially if you're handling food preparation on site. Fire safety inspections are also crucial to ensure the safety of your guests. It might seem overwhelming, but trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Contact your local government agencies or consult with a legal professional to determine the specific permits and licenses required for your event space. By staying compliant, you'll avoid potential fines and legal issues down the road. Section 7. The art of the event. Space design and functionality. Here's where your creativity can truly shine. Designing your event space is all about creating a welcoming and versatile environment that can transform to accommodate various events. Think about the flow of the space, ensuring ample room for seating, dancing, and any other activities you plan to host. Invest in high-quality neutral furniture that can be easily dressed up or down with linens and decor. Good lighting is crucial. Consider a mix of ambient, accent, and task lighting to create different moods and highlight key features. Don't forget about the practicalities. Ensure you have sufficient restrooms, catering prep areas, and storage space for tables, chairs, and other equipment. And in today's tech-savvy world, providing Wi-Fi access is non-negotiable. By paying attention to both design and functionality, you'll create an event space that's not only visually appealing, but also practical and efficient for hosting memorable events. Section 8. Marketing magic attracting clients to your venue. You've built a beautiful event space. Now it's time to spread the word. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Create a professional website that showcases your venue, lists your services, and includes stunning photos and videos of past events. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Post eye-catching content, engage with potential clients, and run targeted ad campaigns. Networking is also crucial in the event planning industry. Attend industry events, connect with vendors, and build relationships with wedding planners and corporate event organizers. Offer incentives for referrals and consider partnering with local businesses to cross-promote your services. Remember, word-of-mouth marketing is still incredibly powerful. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business and Yelp. Section 9. Pricing strategies. Finding your profitable sweet spot. Pricing your event space can be tricky. You want to be competitive while ensuring you're generating a profit. Research what other venues in your area are charging for similar services. Consider factors like the day of the week, time of year, and duration of the event. Offer different packages to cater to various budgets and event sizes. For example, you could have a basic package that includes the space rental, tables, and chairs, and then offer add-ons like catering, linens, or audio-visual equipment. Don't be afraid to negotiate, but always know your bottom line. It's better to walk away from a deal that doesn't make financial sense than to undervalue your services. As your business grows and you build a reputation, you can gradually increase your prices. Remember, pricing is an ongoing process. Regularly review your pricing strategy to ensure it aligns with your business goals and market demands. Section 10. Managing the show day of operations and beyond. The day of the event is where all your hard work comes together. It's crucial to have a solid plan in place to ensure everything runs smoothly. Create a detailed event checklist that outlines all the tasks that need to be completed, from setting up tables and chairs to coordinating with vendors. Have a team of reliable staff or hire temporary event staff to assist with setup, breakdown, and guest services. Communication is key. Stay in constant contact with your clients, vendors, and staff to address any last-minute changes or issues. Be prepared for the unexpected. Have a backup plan in case of inclement weather or other unforeseen circumstances. After the event, follow up with your clients to thank them for choosing your venue and ask for feedback. Their insights can help you improve your services and attract future clients. Section 11, the bottom line. Is owning an event space profitable? So we've reached the million-dollar question, is owning an event space profitable? The answer, like most things in business, is it depends. The profitability of your event space hinges on several factors, including your location, pricing strategy, marketing efforts, and operational efficiency. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a passion for creating unforgettable experiences. However, with the right approach, owning an event space can be a lucrative and rewarding business. You have the potential to generate revenue from space rentals, catering, and other add-on services. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life, and being a part of special moments in people's lives. If you're a go-getter with an entrepreneurial spirit and a love for creating memorable events, then the event space business might be your calling. Remember, success in this industry requires a combination of creativity, business acumen, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right ingredients and a sprinkle of passion, you can turn your event space dreams into a profitable reality.